everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 16th to the 28th of January 2022 or 2023 on Monday. Mzansi goes back to where she feels safest after an almost fatal altercation with a crazy baby mama. Sibongile makes a strong case for the head girl position. Sizwe is dropped like a hot potato on Tuesday. Mzansi and Sonto'S try to build common ground. Chiamo has a secret that bothering Teddy. MK learns Zibuko is harder to please than she thought on Wednesday. Miss Lungwani proposes a solution to the school books issue. Lumka tells Tiny not to blame Sizwe for their breakup. Prissy confides in Nyaleng about Sonto'S giving away all their money and her warning about scammers on Thursday. Pretty blame Mzansi for all that happened. Chiamo has a way to reveal Sibongile's bully messenger. Lumka gives Sizwe flowers. Is it love back on Friday? Sonto'S shut down the Molefe primary source of income. Sibongile is confronted by her pregnancy in the most public and most embarrassing way ever. Gladys tried to mediate peace between Zaza and Chiamo, but things don't go well. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.